Legal due date approaches for Trump's travel boycott. Reuters by Dustin Voles. Washington. National security veterans from both sides and major U.S. innovation organizations communicated restriction to Donald Trump's and permanent travel boycott in a court case as his organization arranged on Monday to legitimize the measure, the most disputable strategy of his two-week-old presidency. Trump's official request of January 27, briefly accepting passage to the United States of individuals from 7 Muslim Greater Part nations and ending the U.S. Outcast program, was suspended by a government judge in Seattle on Friday. That opened a window for explorers from the 7 nations to enter. The administration now has until 3 p.m. PST 2300 GMT on Monday to present extra lawful briefs to the 9th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in San Francisco in help of Trump's arrange a choice whichever way may eventually bring about the case coming to the U.S. Incomparable Court. The new Republican president, who has said the travel measures are to ensure the nation against the risk of fear-mongering, has responded to difficulties to his boycott by assaulting the government judge in Seattle and after that the more extensive court system. 10 previous U.S. national security and outside arrangement authorities, who served under both Republican and Democratic presidents, recorded an affirmation in the court case contending the travel boycott fills no national security needs. It was marked by previous secretaries of state including John Kerry, Madeleine Albright, Condoleezza Rice and previous CIA executives Michael Hayden and Michael Morrell. Throughout the end of the week, the Interests Court in San Francisco denied the organization's ask for a prompt suspension of the government judge's brief limiting request that hindered the usage of key parts of the travel boycott. Be that as it may, the court said it would consider the legislature's ask for subsequent to getting more data. Trump confronts a difficult task in the San Francisco court, which is overwhelmed by liberal-inclining judges. What's more, request courts are for the most part cautious of overturning business as usual, which for this situation is a suspension of the boycott. On a visit to the military's Central Command Home Office in Tampa, Florida, Trump safeguarded his order. Radical Islamic fear-based oppressors are resolved to strike our country as they did on 9/11, he said. We require solid projects for individuals who cherish our crown,